Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a basic overview of the Microsoft Office Word Web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So first search as Office and click on the Microsoft 365 login and just click. You can also search as Office Web in here. So just type as Office Web. Now you can see free Microsoft 365 online, so it's actually free and it has a limited feature while comparing to the software, that original softwares. So this is the online version. So while clicking, you will have a like this. You just open an account on Microsoft 365, and this is the basic overview. You can find the templates are here. You can also hide the template if you want, and you can use this template and you click on the more template to view lot of templates are here, so you can use this, or click on the plus symbol to create a new document. You click on the word to create a new blank document. Here the recently opened or worked file or here, and here the shared files, and you can also favorite the files if you want, and then just click on the new blank document. Here it automatically pop up on the new windows. So after opening the windows, here the basic overview. So you can click on the file option. Here you can see, you can click on new, open a document, save the export, print, share, and all options are here. And here the templates are here and recent documents are here. And this is, you can have a design preview. You can use the resume cover and general. They are the template given to you. You can use it for free. So it's actually free. So there's a lot of templates. You can just click here and you can view it and close here. So you can see, so there's a difference in the original software version and also the web version. So the web version has a limited amount of features. You can see the home, and here the insert features and layout option, reference, review, view, and help. So here you can change the dark mode, and here there are two type of views. So I just going to minimize here. Okay, so if you are going to the second page, it will only shows a line between this animation is only for the web version. If you download a document and open in any other WPS Office or the Google Docs or in Microsoft Office, it will open as normal. But here in animation, they shows like this, a small line which actually separating the first page and second page. You can see the page number on bottom, and also in the bottom you can see that how many pages are present here. And here you can change to dark mode and switch to normal mode. And an extra thing I just going to mention here was about the ribbon. This ribbon will actually simplify the ribbon. Here you just need to click on the arrow option here and click on the classic ribbon, so only the ribbon will be shown like this if you need. And also you can show the ribbon, or you can use the automatically hide the ribbon option. So this is the basic overview of the Microsoft Office Word web version. And if you have any doubt, you just comment below. I will make a video for it. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Microsoft Office Word web version, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.